Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about the continuation of our previous topic, that is Western modernity in Iran under Riza Shah Pahlavi. And today we discuss first is rise to power. In 1917, British used Iran against Russia. Because Russia and between Russia and Britain have some issues, and British used Iran against Russia, and Russia beat Ahmad Shah Qajar, and he can unable to control against Russia, and in 1920 he lost his all power. Okay, and in 1920 Soviet marched into Tehran. Okay, and Soviet marched into Tehran. At that time, British promoted Riza Shah, or British motivated Riza Shah to turn against or to resist against the Russian army, and Riza Shah led his army, and he led his entire brigade into the Tehran. After the 1 month, 3,000 or 4,000 armies came under the Riza Shah, and he is the leader of that brigade, entire brigade, and he traveled to Qazvin, to Hamdan, to Tehran with all the direction and help of British. Okay, and he seized the capital. It is under the Qajar rule. He seized now the capital, and he forced to dissolution of previous government, and Sayyid Ziauddin Tabai is the prime minister. He appointed Sayyid Ziauddin Tabai as a prime minister, and he became the Sardar Sapah, that means commander in chief. Okay, and in 1923, at the time of 1923, that means after the 3 year later, he secured all over the Iran internal and external conflict, and he secured all over the Iran, and he moved to capital, and he achieved the rank of prime minister. Okay, then he became the prime minister, and he introduced a parliament, and he quickly established a political cabinet in Tehran. And in 1925, December 12, he took his imperial oath, and the first Shah of dynasty came in 1925, and he planned to country became the republic. Okay, he planned to country became the republic, and in April 1926, April 25, he proclaimed his successor as his son Muhammad Riza Pahlavi. Okay, and his modernizations are, what are the modernization of Riza Shah Pahlavi in Iran? It started from 1924. The main modernization aim contained 3 pillars. First one is state building, second one is national building, and third one is community building. Okay, so his modernizations are, in 1929 he started a law to use the foreign outfit other than the traditional clothing of men and women, and he sent to students into Europe for better education, and he tried to westernize every aspect of the Iranian, and he tried to unite country under his own power. He tried to unite, or he tried to centralize the country under his own power, and he earned the title of Sardar Sapah from the coups. What is the basis and principle of this modernity? He established a modern army. It is his main power or strength is his modern army, and he breaking the feudal system, and he start to abolish uniformity in clothing, and he try to outfit the western clothing it uniformly in all over the Iran, and he established a Sepah bank, and he to organize a financial affair of military force, and he approval of mandatory in military law, and he establishment of civil registration for to compulsory military service. So these are the modernization or the basis of principle of Riza Shah Pahlavi, and what is the cultural reformations and what is the reformations in cultural field under the time of Riza Shah Pahlavi. These cultural reformations based on the three ancient oriented nationalism. First one is archaism and modernism and anti-religiosity. So for his reform, first he start to build a new institution based on the Western culture and Western style. He used the Western syllabus, and he approached different kind of education method in Western style. And second one is he expand an ancient orientation, and he tried to attention to history of ancient king and monuments, and he tried to holding Firdausi's millennium celebration. It is a celebration. He tried to holding that Firdausi millennium celebration. He tried to weakening the religious thought, because he understand that religion is the only one barrier for modernization of Iran. So he tried to destroy the religion in Iran, and he tried to establish new schools, institute we talked before, and he tried to establish his establishment of promiscuity among women, and unveiling law of hijab in 1936 January 7, and he promoting the European clothing. In education field, he start school for training employees, and he start a Ministry of Education in 1922, and he start military schools. In 1928, Ministry of Education print the educational textbooks, and he made a new style of army with 5 divisions, contain 30,000 soldiers. So these are the reformation of Riza Shah Pahlavi. In next class, we have to discuss what is the cause of declination and what happened in after the Second World War, and what happened in Iran and Pahlavi dynasty. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.